Hi everyone, it's Nails by Rhayne, aka Brooklyn Rhayne, and today I'll be showing you how to do this super trendy pop art nail look. So I was able to use the soft gel nail pump up tips in the square shape for an easy application and then following along with the easy gel design. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed. To shop any of these products at Makartt.com, make sure to tag us in these looks and to keep up with me at Nails by Rhayne on Instagram. Bye, thank you guys so much for watching.